Happy Friday, LoSal USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, April 19th, 2024.
We'll start this week's episode of the wrap-up with our LAE Leopards, who packed the boardroom with students and staff for their annual presentation to the board. Their presentation began with a beautiful patriotic performance from the LAE Choir, followed by their school song, We Are Family. Following the performance, LAE's 5th grade student representatives joined Principal Willems for a presentation about the magic behind the family. Their presentation concluded with honoring the LAE Hero of the Heart, Mrs. Kirsten Powers. During the board meeting, we were also able to recognize and celebrate our District Teacher of the Year, Mrs. Lisa Haygood, 3rd grade teacher at LAE. And the honors continued as the Los Alamitos High School PTA, in partnership with the Los Alamitos Youth Center, surprised board member Chris Papaforehand with the Elected Official Honorary Service Award. President Catuli also paid tribute to Board Vice President Marlis Davidson for her remarkable 30 years of dedicated service and tenure with the district. In other news, this week, 3 LoSal USD staff members were honored by the Greater Anaheim SELPA Community Advisory Committee for going above and beyond for students with disabilities. Many congrats to Mr. Andrew Hong, Ms. Taylor Martin, and Mr. Anku for their contributions to the academic, social, and emotional growth of students with disabilities. In other news, we continue to celebrate the longevity of our LoSal USD employees this week with a stop at Oak Middle School to honor 11 staff members who served the district for a combined total of 145 years. We couldn't be more thankful to our amazing staff for your dedication and loyalty to LoSal USD. In high school news, Los Alamitos High School held its annual Spring Athletic Signing Day this week, which featured 16 student athletes signing national letters of intent to compete in college. During a lunchtime ceremony, students gathered with family, friends, coaches, and teammates to honor this momentous occasion. On Thursday, LAE and McGaugh elementary schools opened their doors to families and students for open house. It is always such a joy to have our families walk our campuses and see the incredible learning that is happening both inside and outside of the classrooms this school year. At LAE, our Child Development Center also hosted an open house for current and new preschool families to come and learn more about our incredible program. We can't wait to welcome more of our littlest learners next year. Speaking of LAE, this week students and staff came together to celebrate Neurodiversity Week, which is a school-wide initiative that challenges stereotypes and misconceptions about neurological differences. Students from general and special education classes came together to promote inclusion, making friends, and celebrating differences. And finally, save the date, as next week our LoSal dance program will perform their show, The Salon, Life in Vignettes. The show debuts next Wednesday, April 24th, and will continue Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Tickets are still available and can be purchased on the dance website. Well, that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.
And that's a wrap up!